Hello and welcome to this course. I want to congratulate you for choosing to enroll in my course. And today I'm going to show you the exact step by step how to create and make this blog. So as you can see, it's a very responsive blog, very customizable and very simple. And I didn't pay anything for it because I'm using Google Blogger. It's very easy to use and it's free. So as you can see, this is the blog I made. This is my logo and this is the main menu. This is the health section and I just posted one post. This is the lifestyle section, fitness section, about us, and the contact us for. It's really easy to set up. All you need to do is just follow my steps and you will have the same exact blog. I will also provide you with some important links and I will give you this free theme. So just to show you how this blog works, once you go to your home and click on, for example, this post, this is the featured image, okay? And this is the post. As you can see, the content is very readable. These are the sharing buttons, related posts, and this is our footer. You can also see here the search bar and random posts. You can add your Google AdSense here, or if you have Amazon affiliates or ClickBank. So just let me show you the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, I just added these 3 posts, and you can also see the traffic is very. I have 339 traffic. As you can see, these 3 posts have a lot of traffic, and this is when the date when I posted this post, okay? And this is the traffic, so this is very real. And just let me show you. Once I reload the page, so this is the traffic. It's real. This is not a scam, okay? I'm going to show you step by step how to create this blog, and once we finished, I'm also going to share with you my secret. If we go to our status overview, let's click on now. So this is the traffic I'm getting, okay? It's very real. These are the posts that I'm getting traffic from. This is the traffic source. As you can see, it's very organic, and I have a lot of entries from Google, YouTube, Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, Bing, etc. So this is the blog I told you about. Once you click on your logo, you will be redirected to your homepage. So in this module, you are going to learn how to use Blogger. Also, you will learn to customize the main menu, to change the footer section, customize your contact page. You will also learn how to change your domain name in the last video. Also, you will learn how to install the free theme, change the sidebar section, etc. So this is the content of this course, okay? And in the last, I'm going to share with you my secrets to getting free traffic. So this is very important. Once you buy this course, you will be provided with these methods. I just want to thank you for enrolling in this course. Thank you again, and I will see you in the videos.